I'm Bhavya Chauhan. Today we'll be making a new project that is a weather application using multiple libraries and API key. For API key, we'll be going to the link that is Open Weather Map. From this website, you can get a free API key. Create your account. Here, I've already made my account. To get the key, click on your account. Go to My API Keys. By clicking on this uh, option, you will get a key over here. Just copy this key and save it for later use. Now we will be working on our app. In the first two lines, we'll be importing two libraries that are requests and Tkinter. Then, with the by importing request library, our program can send the HTTP request to the weather API, and by importing tkinter as tk, this will import the tkinter GUI library, and it gives it a shorter name that is tk. And from the tkinter library, we'll import the message box module to show pop-up alerts like warnings and errors. In the next line, you have to paste the API key that you have copied from the website earlier. It stores our Open Weather Map API key in a variable so that our program can authenticate with the API. In the next line, our function definition named Get Weather gets started. It runs when you click the button. In the next line, using this line, we can get the city name from the input box. It basically reads whatever the user typed into the input box. Now, here starts the conditional statements. That is, if the user left it blank, it will show a pop-up warning saying please enter a city name. And then, with the help of the return statement, the function will stop. In the next line, now this line will build the API URL. That is, that is from the city. Uh, this will insert the value entered by the user, and this API key inserts your API key, and units equals to metric will uh, make the temperature in degree Celsius. Now, here try response equals to request dot get URL. This will send a request to the API website, and data equals to response JSON will convert the response from the API into a Python dictionary. Now, if data COD not equal to 200, that means if COD, that is the status code, if it is not 200, the city does not exist. It will show a pop-up that say error city not found. Now we'll need to extract required weather details using API key. That is data mean temperature, data mean humidity, and data weather description. So now to display the weather on screen, we'll need to update we'll need to update results label to show all information. Here, this slash n character is a new line character that creates new lines. After this, in this description capitalize will help in making the first letter uppercase. if anything goes wrong we'll be using if anything goes wrong, we'll be using this line, that is except exception, that will show a pop-up message saying unable to fetch weather data. Uh, there, if the request fails, that is no internet. This pop-up error will be shown. Now we'll be moving to the GUI section, that is the app window. Root equals to tk.tk. This will help in creating the main tk window, that is the main tkinter window. Then root.title, that is weather app. It will set the window title. The title of the window will be weather app. Now root dot geometry 350 into 250. That is, we will be setting the size of our window of our application. Now root dot resizable false comma false, it will prevent resizing of the window. Title label equals to tk dot label root text and font. With this, we'll be creating a label, and title label paddy equal to 10. It will add spacing, that is 10, that means 10 pixels of vertical padding. Now we'll be creating a city input box with the with these two with these two lines. We'll be creating input field where the user types a city name. And with this btn, here the btn is the name of the button. We have given it a variable name as btn. With this, we'll be it will create a button. When clicked, it runs the get weather function which we have created earlier. Now result label, where will be shown the result. uh, with these two lines, these are initially empty. When it is updated, when the enter button is clicked, it will be updated with temperature, humidity, and the condition which we have updated over here in the earlier lines. Now root dot main loop will help in keeping the window open, and it listens for button clicks and user actions.